Today, I'll show you 3 simple methods to highlight the mouse pointer in Windows 10 and 11. The mouse highlight feature is useful if you want to make a presentation more engaging or you need to create a computer tutorial. As an additional point, I'll show you how to make a cursor focus on your Windows 10 or 11 computers in a few minutes. Go to the Start menu and type Mouse Settings, then click on it. A pop-up will appear. Once here, I go to Additional Mouse Settings and click on it. In the Mouse Properties window, I go to the Pointers tab and I click on it. As you can see, in the central window, you can see the cursors used by the mouse. You can pick any pointer you wish if you want to change the actual pointer. The main problem is that the Windows operating system doesn't have a highlight pointer mouse. I'll show you how to solve this in a matter of minutes. Let's go to our browser, then access a website called rwdesigner.com. Once here, we need to click on Gallery, then go to the Cursors menu and click on it. Below, you can see a series of mouse cursors you can use to customize your mouse cursor. We need to find a mouse highlight pointer, so let's search for it using the search field. Type Highlight Cursor and click on Search. As you can see, a few types of highlight mouse pointers are available, but we need to find one with a pleasant design. Let's go to the filter, then choose to sort them by downloads. For this tutorial, I'll select the file called Highlight Cursor. Let's click on that once and a new page will open. Now, let's jump to the Download button and press it. Go to the place where the file is saved and move it to a more convenient location. Now, let's go to the My Computer shortcut and click on it. Once here, we need to go to the Windows folder. Once here, let's search for a folder called Cursors. In this folder, you can see all the mouse pointers used by your computer. Now, let's cut the Highlight Cursor file, then move it to the Cursors folder. You need to confirm this action. The highlight mouse pointer is now available in the directory used by Windows to set up the mouse. Let's go to the Start menu, then search for Mouse Settings once again. Once here, go again to Additional Mouse Options and click on it. Let's choose Pointers, then go to the Browse option and click on it. Scroll down and search for the Highlight Cursor. The next step is to select the file, then go up to the Scheme drop-down menu. Click on Save As, then choose a memorable name for this option. Let's confirm everything. Now, let's see what we have. Go below and click on Apply to activate the highlight mouse pointer. As you can see, everything works smoothly, and the default mouse pointer was replaced. You can click on OK if you want to keep this mode. Let's return to the Scheme menu. Select the default mouse pointer, then click on Apply and Confirm. If you don't like the pointer design and you need a customizable one, I'll show you another method to do it. Go to your browser and search for Cursor Highlighter Download. Let's go to the result from Microsoft, then click on it. Then go to the Download button, select it, and save the file on the desktop. Now, let's double-click on the downloaded file. In a matter of seconds, the default mouse pointer has been replaced with a highlight pointer. In order to customize its design, we need to go to the bottom right corner, then select the green highlighter symbol. Once we click on Settings, a new menu will appear. The first option we can customize is the shape of the mouse highlighter. You can choose between an ellipse and an arrow. The next thing we can customize is the size of the pointer. Let's increase the pointer's dimension a little bit. If you don't like its default colors, we can change them. You can customize both the stroke color and the fill color. The menu allows us to choose any color we want with immediate effects on the pointer. If you need to remove the stroke, the menu allows us to do it. Just uncheck the Display Stroke option, and the stroke will disappear. You can also choose to remove the fill, and the mouse pointer will transform into a circle with a transparent center. If you want to get back to the default mouse pointer, go to the bottom right corner, select the app, and choose Exit Highlighter. If you need to activate the highlight mouse pointer, go to the Start menu and search for Cursor Highlighter. Now, let's jump to the most customizable highlight mouse pointer solution. Using it, you can add highlight or cursor focus on the mouse pointer. We need to install an extension called Cursor Highlighter to achieve this goal. To do this, we need to install an app called AutoHotkey. Let's search for it using our browser. Once here, let's click on the Download button. We need to install the 1.1 version for our tutorial. Double-click on the file to install it, then close the window. Now, let's go back to the link provided in the video description. Then, click and download the Cursor Highlighter file. Once downloaded, double-click on it, then confirm the action. As you can see, the default mouse pointer was replaced with a nice-looking highlight mouse pointer. Let's click on the small arrow from the bottom right of the screen. The mouse returns to its previous state, and the default pointer is displayed. If we click once again, the mouse pointer changes to the highlight version. Now, let's customize the display and the role of the pointer. Click on the app icon, and a short menu will appear. Let's choose Settings. In the General tab, you can decide how you want to display the mouse pointer. If we click on the picture file, a pen will replace the actual pointer. Let's click on the Focus option. Awesome! The mouse pointer changes into a pointer focused on the subject. We can change the way the cursor is displayed at start, if we need. We can customize the right click and the left click of the mouse if we want to connect these functions directly with the mouse actions. Let's jump to the Highlight Settings option. From here, we can customize the size of the highlight area. If we click on the up and down arrows, we can change the size and shape of the highlight mouse pointer. If we want to change the pointer opacity, we can do it. As you can see, I can change the default value up to 255, a moment when the pointer becomes opaque. Let's jump back to the default value of the pointer. If we need a different color for our highlight, we can change it. I'll click on the highlight color and change the actual color with a custom one. If I click on OK, the cursor color will change, but I like the actual color, and I won't do that. Let's reduce the cursor size a little bit. Another thing you can customize is the left click of your mouse option. You can select a different size of the cursor if you need. From the settings, I can pick a different color of the highlight cursor if I need. The same options are available for the right-click action. No matter how you need to customize the mouse pointer, you can do it using the same available options. Color, size, opacity. Everything can be modified based on your needs. The picture setting option allows you to choose a different image for your cursor. If you select an image, the mouse cursor will be replaced by that image. Unfortunately, I was unable to change the focus settings. However, the default 200 pixels for the mouse pointer focus is a good value, and it looks awesome. At the last point, you can customize hotkeys based on your needs. I won't change anything at that point, but you can do it if you want. Now, let's see what we've got. I click on the Switch to Cursor Focus, and the cursor changed into an awesome focused cursor. It's perfect if you want to explain something using your computer. The next step is to click on the Switch to Cursor option. Once again, the mouse pointer changed into a great highlight mouse pointer. At the last option, I'll click on the Switch to Picture cursor. That's it. The mouse pointer is now replaced by a pen image. Remember that you can change this image if you want. Once I'm done with the highlight mouse pointer, I can click on Exit Cursor Highlighter, and the mouse cursor is back to the default settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thank you.